Hi guys, in this video we're going to be talking about what a real-time workflow looks like with Enscape. Real-time rendering is focused on analyzing and producing renders in real time, that is, while working on your projects.
The benefit of real-time rendering is that users can interact with the render as it is developed. In the context of architecture design, I can keep iterating my 3D model, and my visualization will keep updating as it is real-time. How does Enscape do this for you? Enscape is a plugin. It is not a workflow outside of your CAD environment. Instead, it opens as a window inside your CAD, like V-Ray, for example. However, Enscape is real-time and crazy fast. So imagine I have two windows on each half of my screen. One is my CAD environment where I create my project, and the other is Enscape where I visualize it. Now when I iterate on my CAD side, visualization inside Enscape will update as well. Once again, I would like to emphasize that it's happening real-time, meaning it is the same workflow, and the changes are happening at the same time at that very moment. Let's now see how this works. Let's talk about these two buttons here, Live Updates and View Synchronization. By default, Live Updates is enabled. I never fully understood why one would need to disable this. However, let me explain what it does. So here are both my screens. When I make a change in my model, that change is happening real-time inside my Enscape window. I am making changes to my model, and it is being updated live inside Enscape. If I add any assets, materials, lights, or anything at all, they are present in my visualization as well. If I do this inside Enscape, my CAD will also take those changes in real time. So they are both fully synced with each other, which is amazing. Now this is the everyday real-time Enscape workflow, where I can forget working specifically on my visuals, because Enscape is taking care of that. I am focusing only on my project. I can save visuals from Enscape if I need to present something during the design process. And I don't need to hire a 3D artist to do this for me, or hire a firm to create these renders, or even learn extensive program courses to create a great render. This workflow is achieved via the Live Updates button, which as mentioned before is enabled by default. However, if you decide to disable this, Enscape will not read any changes until, for example, you either enable updates again or you restart Enscape. For me, the disable option is non-existent. I don't know why it is there. So keep it enabled all the time, and that is how you will achieve the real-time workflow. The second button is the View Synchronization button. So, for example, you have just started using Enscape. You don't want to navigate inside the Enscape viewport, rather you want to move inside your CAD only. And you would like Enscape to synchronize your view from CAD as well. This is exactly what this button does. Once enabled, all your movement inside your CAD will also be synchronized real-time with Enscape. I love this feature as well. Sometimes, I am not able to find the exact viewing angle or the field of view I have inside my CAD. For this reason, I love using this synchronization. That's while I am working on the model. But, in general, I love navigating directly inside Enscape. It's more relatable towards the actual experience of the space. But that is what we will check out in the next lesson, navigation inside Enscape. Watch the next video for more.